Anyway, Oreos. What you gonna come?
Hot dog. Or
Hot dog. Yeah, don't care. What's next? Hot dog.
hamburger.
Doesn't matter. Hot dog. What?
Strawberries. Or blueberries.
Death. Thrown into a volcano.
Pineapple on pizza. Or no pineapple on pizza.
No pineapple on pizza. Again, I will admit, Chad, I will admit I've never had it. I've never had pineapple on pizza. But I don't see how it could be good. Like, it's been like an argument but sweet with salty combo. No, I'd rather just have no pineapple action. I'm not going to lie. I'd rather go no pineapple.